Trading with y'all, man. It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Yeezy, coming back at you again with another video. Coming straight at your dome, man. Man, you guys see it. It's in the title. Got the Kyrie 6 unboxing, and I got a special unboxing from the Goat app. But before we get started, y'all know what I need for y'all to do. I need for y'all to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell on so you don't miss anything. Make sure you don't miss anything that I put out, all right? And make sure you hit that like button and share this thing, man. My goal for the summer, trying to hit 5K for the summer. So I'm gonna switch it up. You know, I talked to one of my supporters, somebody who I support as well, hit me up, gave me some game, like, man, stop selling yourself short. So shout out to my bro, man. He know who he is. Ain't no words, no names got to be explained, none of that. You did. But y'all make sure y'all share this thing for your boy, man. Like I said, the upgrade is coming. We still in the process, and I'm excited, man. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. Now, y'all see it. Hey, man, I need for y'all to share IBA video too, man, because I'm tired of this. I'm tired of the black tape. You know, the holidays were crazy, but we after the holidays now, and I'm still sick and tired of the black tape. But we got the box right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Thank you, Nike. Just do it. Y'all gotta stop that, man. Go back to some regular tape. And I got the Goat box right there. Y'all can't see it, but it's by my leg, so I'm just snatch that up when we finish with this one. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, man. I ain't trying to bore y'all. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Got my handy dandy keys right here. I can't drive right now, so I gotta put them to good use, you feel me? Now, y'all know my size 12. Kyrie 6s, I suggest going up half a size. I wish I could have got a 12.5 in these because I got my preheat. Those are size 12. Size 12 is my true size, but I just feel like I could use a little bit of extra room in the Kyrie 6s if I'd have got like a 12.5. So if anybody who doesn't have any Kyries or are looking forward to buying any Kyrie 6s, make sure you go up like half a size, because these Kyries, they definitely have a snug fit to them. But let's go ahead and open the box. The concept, Kyrie 6s. Now I do have my Kyrie 5. I do have my Kyrie 5 concept. Those are still dead stock, by the way. And I am loving the concept colorways, or the concept collaboration with the Kyrie 6s, with Kyrie in general. Oh man, these are dope, y'all. Got a little paint on this one, but woo! Oh, look at these things! Yeah, they look good, y'all. I like these right here, man. And they came with extra laces. Should I switch the laces? Y'all let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. Should I switch the laces or not? Things look good. Good, in the word of Super Duper Roof. But let's go ahead and get into the review. Now, with this concept collaboration, these sneakers are known as the Kyrie 6 KHEPRI, which is named after the Egyptian god KHEPRI, who is known for the rising sun with the Egyptian god Ra. All right. Now, I know a lot of people who don't like Kyrie because of the all-seeing eye and the healing hands on the back. They say it's Illuminati. Guys, it is not Illuminati. It's just ancient Egypt. I need for everybody to do their research, man. That's why I know I see it in a lot of people's videos saying, oh, I can't rock with Kyrie because of all the eyes and everything. The all-seeing eye is not bad, y'all. Now, if you watch my videos, y'all know I usually have my Ankh chain on. That's another Egyptian symbol, which means light. Going into the colorway of the sneaker, the colorway gets called Pink Tint and Guava Ice. So I'm guessing the Guava Ice is the blue part instead of just Carolina blue along the midsole. Now, we got an all pink upper. And I'm probably gonna zoom this in and give y'all some other videos too, man. But we got an all pink upper surrounding the sneaker. And like I said, we got a blue ice midsole, which covers all around the sneaker. Now, on the toe box, we got that nylon up along the toe box right here, man. That actually feels good. I like the nylon. All right. Now on the medial side of the sneaker, we got this little rubber part right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got this rubber part. Now, like I tell people, with Kyrie definitely likes shoes molded to his game. Y'all know Kyrie got a quick game with the quick crossovers and the crazy handle. Like, he be doing a lot of stuff, a lot of crazy crossover. I mean, shoot, that's how he have balance, you feel me? If anybody that play basketball, y'all know that. All right, now going into the back of the sneaker, we got the healing hands with the all-seeing eye in that joint, man. And also, we got this pink tumbled leather. And this is, I love the tumbled leather on the back of these things, man. Like, they are, without a shot of a doubt, just dope, all right? Now, heading into the Nike swoosh, we have our Nike swoosh, and it's supposedly like ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics. So I like how they broke that down. I like how they got the swoosh, you know, just broken down looking like a hieroglyphic. I mean, I actually love it. All right, now heading into the strap of the sneaker. Now I know in my preheat, I can't strap mine up all the way because of the snug fit of the sneaker. So my strap doesn't go all the way over because I got a wide foot, you feel me? But on the strap, I like this one. We have a beetle or a scarab. Now a scarab back in ancient Egyptian times were used as currency, used as money, to say the least. So I like this. I like, y'all know how Kyrie is, man. Kyrie's he's big on his culture, his heritage, his ancestry. Like, and that's one of the things I love about Kyrie, because I'm pretty much the same way. Like, I want to learn about my history, my ancestry, and my heritage. All right. Now, along the medial side of the right sneaker, we have concepts. And along the medial side of the left sneaker, we have the Roman numeral 6. On the right sneaker on the tongue, we have concepts. And on the left sneaker, I know these factory laces, but on the left one, we got the Kyrie logo, the Kyrie Nike logo. And overall, I mean, on the sole, I love the sole of Kyrie sneakers. Once again, we have the all-seeing eye, and I just like the color. I just like the color patterns on these things, man. Like, Kyrie killing Nike basketball right now. I'm pretty sure there is no other, I mean, I know y'all can agree with me when I say there's no other Nike basketball player with doper shoes, doper than Kyrie, man. Like, me personally, I just don't see it. Like, LeBron's are good. KD's fell off, like, when they came out with the 8, in my opinion. Like, KD. Now, other unboxing comes from the GOAT app. All right, y'all know I shop with the GOAT app heavily because I am the GOAT, and some other sneaker companies have had some flaws, to say the least. So let's open this thing on up. Alright. Ooh, that was a workout. Yeezy 700s from the GOAT app. Which 700 I got? Let's see. Got these analog things for y'all, man. Now, I originally wanted the Wave Runners, but GOAT had a sale going on. GOAT had a stupid Yeezy winter sale going on. These were like $200. And since I didn't hit on the V3 Azales, I was like, man, let me get this 700. You know, I wanted the Wave Runners, but them Wave Runners too expensive, man. So if anybody want to help your boy get a pair of Wave Runners, you know, just help your boy out, you feel me? But nah, I got these right here because they were $200, and I like the colorway, man. This cream colorway is crazy. This is my first pair of 700s, and I'm excited to have these. I'm not going to go into full details about these because this is a sneaker that came out last year. I think it was April of 2019. I don't see too many people with this colorway. I don't know anybody with this colorway, and y'all know I like being different, so I think these are dope. These gonna hold me down until I can get a pair of Wave Runners. Once I get some Wave Runners, I'll probably be done with 700s, man. Especially with the V3s being out already. I mean, like I said, I like the V3 look. And we got the Yeezy basketball coming up, man. So y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these and those Kyrie 6s, KHEPRI. I'm gonna attempt to give y'all an on foot. Y'all know I'm still on crutches. Don't laugh at me. I mean, if you gonna laugh, go ahead and laugh at me, man. Fuck it, I don't care, man. And leave a comment in the comment section below, man. So let me give y'all an up close look at the Kyrie 6s, KHEPRI. Man, y'all, I just realized I can't give y'all no on foot because I can't bend my knee to put on my other sneaker. So I don't know how I feel about showing y'all an on foot with one sneaker. I mean, especially when I'm on crutches. I don't know how I feel about that one, man. So we probably gonna pass on that one. But I tried. But like I said, them Kyrie 6s fit snug, man. So I gotta fight to get in that sneaker, and I can't bend my knee. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed that, man. Y'all know I love giving y'all new looks on what I cop and everything. Now, like I said earlier, be on the lookout for the upgrade. The upgrade is coming soon, y'all. We still in the process of upgrading this thing, man. Cause like I said, I'm tired of feeling like the J. Cole of YouTube. You feel me? I mean, J. Cole's a good person. J. Cole, my boy. Y'all know I love J. Cole. Ooh, I had to burp. Y'all know I love J. Cole. One of my favorite rappers. He got a song called Kenny Lofton. That's how I be feeling, man. I be feeling like Kenny Lofton. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. And as always, Goat Weezy sending y'all some love, peace, and we put some chicken grease on that thing. Gone.